In this video, we're going to learn how to solve initial value problems. So we did antiderivatives in the other video, which was just with the constant. So in this one, we're going to start off with dy over dx equals 2e to the x minus cosine x, and the condition is y equals 3 when x equals 0. Now this could also be written down as it passes through the point 0, 3. They're all the same thing. So our slope is dy over dx equals 2e to the x minus cosine of x. So the antiderivative of dy over dx is y. And the antiderivative of 2e to the x is still 2e to the x. The antiderivative of cosine of x is negative sine x plus c. So now we have to substitute these two conditions and plug them in. So now we're going to replace 3 for y, and now we're going to plug in 2e to the 0 minus sine of 0 plus c. So now 3 is going to equal anything to the 0 power is 1, because it means it's itself over itself. So 2 times 1, that's what we need to write down. 2 times 1 minus sine to the 0 power is going to be 0 plus c. So 1 has to equal c. So our function is going to be, let me write it over here, y equals 2e to the x minus sine x plus 1. And in this case, it's actually continuous everywhere, so domain would be from negative infinity to infinity. So we don't have any domain issues, which we will include in a later video. Okay, now we're going to solve dA over dx equals 10x to the 9th plus 5x to the 4 minus 2x plus 4. And we'll write this as a coordinate. So actually we'll still write it the other way so we don't confuse ourselves. A equals 6 when x equals 1. So now the antiderivative of dA over dx is a. You could use little a, big A, it really doesn't matter. Equals, the antiderivative of 10x to the 9th is going to be x to the 10th plus x to the 5th minus x squared plus 4x plus c. So now we have to plug in this condition. So 6 equals, and this is pretty easy, 1 to the 10th is 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 4 plus c. So 1, 2, 6, 5. So 6 equals 5 plus c. So 1 has to equal c. So our actual initial function is a equals x to the 10th plus x to the 5th minus x squared plus 4x plus 1.